Safety during operation is the primary concern in any modern company. The implementation of safety valves has enabled safe operation for many years and will continue to save lives if they are regularly maintained. IKM Laboratorium performs testing, service, maintenance, and repair of a multitude of valves, including PSVs and PRVs, pressure vacuum valves, and pilot valves. Threaded or flanged, gas or liquid. Our laboratory can handle diameters ranging from 1/4 of an inch up to 10 inches. As part of an accredited company, our laboratory will provide you with the necessary protection to work with excessive pressure. Test reports are conveniently accessed through our web portal. Contact us for more information, or send your valve to our location. We will make sure that your valves allow for safe operation, so you can perform at the highest level.